Well, as the season turns colder, we've talked about preparing for the flu, but there's another potentially deadly condition that is affecting Louisville, and many don't even know it. Ann Bowden joins us now live from the newsroom with more. Ann?
Well, Rick, we're talking about whooping cough, or pertussis. Many think it's a condition that only affects infants and small children. They do make up a large number of the victims, but now there is a growing number of teens and adults that are getting whooping cough, and they don't even know it. And what's worse, they don't even know they could be spreading it.
Pertussis tends to run usually in a 1 to 3 times a year cycle. We typically get pertussis outbreaks in pockets in this community, so that you may get a large outbreak in one county.
In the last 2 years, the latest outbreaks in Kentucky have occurred in Bullitt County. In 2009, the state reported 28 confirmed cases, mainly in babies and the young. So far this year, it's 6. Local doctors say while that number is lower, it could be misleading. That's because many adults are carrying it and don't even know it. They never got the needed booster after their first round of infant immunizations.
We know 10 years after that or so, some of the immunity, some of the antibodies to pertussis tends to wear off.
And here's a sound no mother wants to hear.
The concern is so great, the March of Dimes has launched a new ad campaign about adults getting immunized. The national average is higher because of more infected adults having an impact.
And folks in their late teens, early 20s, and older can then to get pertussis, which honestly shows up as can be a protracted cough in some people.
A prolonged cough that just doesn't go away could be pertussis in an adult.
As an adult, if we get it and we spread it to a small child, they can carry diseases a little differently. And in the very young, unimmunized, or infants who haven't had at least 3 of the primary series, they can get exceptionally sick.
It can also be passed on to the elderly, leading to pneumonia and other viral infections. And once again, they can be a carrier that can pass it on to the young. If adults don't get the booster, it can be a vicious and deadly cycle.
Littlest ones are the ones we're trying to protect because they often show up with apnea. They can sometimes just stop breathing.
Now, just this month in California, it had an outbreak of pertussis that took the lives of 8 infants. And Chicago is dealing with an outbreak right now. People who need to get the pertussis booster shot include anyone ages 11 to 65. They can be given by your teen's pediatrician, or for older patients, most primary doctors give the pertussis booster in conjunction with a tetanus booster shot. Reporting live in the newsroom, Ann Bowden, WLKY News.
Thank you, Ann. Now, pertussis is also called whooping cough because in infants, they cough so hard for a long period of time that when they try to catch their breath, it sounds like a raspy whoop. But in adults, it is much different. Pertussis presents itself as a persistent, irritating cough that doesn't go away for months at a time.